Oh, nice.
Second pan.
Nice.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Shit.
Chickadee! Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching. We're traveling in a storm here. It's raining right now and the roads are a little icy. It's like a mix. And where we're going, it's snowing. And we're on our, I'm Wes, this is Tom, this is the hippie explorer. We travel around New England exploring, generally looking for gold. And we've got some gold in this too. We're hoping if we make it to the cabin in this storm, it's snowing where we're going. And it's not here because we're going to go up in elevation. We got to travel through the mountains and over the notch. So we'll see how that's going to be. And if we can get there, we're going to a cabin, which is a rustic cabin. There's no running water there, but there is electricity. So if there's power and we don't lose power, there's electricity. So it's going to be interesting. We've got some pay dirt from American Gold Prospector. That's Brian Wilder from Bering Sea Gold.
Yeah.
And we're going to be doing that pay dirt if we make it to the cabin. So stay tuned and let's see what happens. Let's go. It's getting more snowy and a little more icy, so I'm traveling slow.
I can't see a thing.
It's white out. His retinas are burnt from all the whiteness of the snow. And we really do need a weather report from the Hip B. I know he's back there somewhere. Let's see if we can get him. You back there?
Somewhere back there.
I think we're going to have to check in with him later because he's underneath.
He's got a blanket and a pillow in his mouth.
Yeah. So we'll check in with him later. Hopefully we can make it. We'll keep you updated on this travel. We're taking it slow. Well, we're here in Lincoln at the gas station. We're stopping to get some firewood here, and it's snowing here, and we're still heading up. We've got to go over the pass now, so moving on. We made it.
Made it. Oh, it's slicking.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go take a look at the river. Look at that. So we battled through the rain and the snow, sometimes sleet, sometimes rain, sometimes and ice. Let's go in, we'll show you this cabin. We got a light here. Here we go. There it is. Look at that. That's it. And we got a refrigerator. And there's electricity. As long as there's electricity, this is the heat. And it's nice in here right now. There's another little heater going over there. They already got it going for us. And you can look right out here and watch the river go by. Isn't that nice? Love it. Love it. I might shovel a spot out over to the... Let's go take a look. There's an outhouse. There's no running water in the cabin. So the outhouse is it. We brought water with us. And there's a fire pit over there, which looks like it needs to be shoveled out. And what do you think about that?
Looks beautiful.
We gotta unload. Let's do it. All right, we loaded all our stuff in. It's cold out, getting colder. It's snowing here, so it's like right around freezing, but it's supposed to get colder on this trip, down to like 11 degrees. And it's like 57 in here with
3 heaters going.
3 heaters going. So we'll see how that goes. We'll keep you posted on the frozen toes.
I know there's a hotel like 54 miles that way, so I'm not going to be cold all night.
No, I think we'll do fine. If we can stay in our tent, we can stay in here. But there's no wood stove here, so. We better check with the hippie now that he's unpacked and we took all the stuff off the top of him, and see what the weather is really going to be like.
Hey, all you groovy dudes and you slap happy hippies. This is It Pete, and I'm here to give you the weather. Let's go! It's raining, and it's snowing, and it's sleeting, and it's wet, and it's no weather for a beat. Let me tell you. But I'm out here doing the weather for you because that snow business, that snow business, yeah. Toodaloo.
Thank you, hippie, for that marvelous weather report. And it's going to get cold, and all this stuff is going to freeze, so we brought some salt to put a little bit of salt down here.
It's pretty cold right now, I'll tell you. This is like glare ice right here. But we came prepared. Winter in New England. We can camp in a tent. We can certainly do this.
Shoveling a path to the outhouse. Important to have, especially in the middle of the night. So, gotta go over that way. Keep going. All right, I got the path shoveled to the outhouse. I'm gonna shovel a path to the fire pit, because we may use that later to cook on. So, gonna do that.
Here he comes. He just shoveled out a path to the outhouse and the fireplace. There you are!
What you doing in there?
Watching you shovel?
Come in. I got everything I need. Gotta get some fire going for dinner. It's a little drizzly out. The easy way. Should be down there. Like that.
But it's great to have the option.
All right, we'll give that a chance to get going. We'll come back out in a bit. Fire's going outside. and the sun's going down. Tom will be better from the brightness. He gets snow blind with this all this whiteness around here.
I'm on the verge of a migraine right now.
Yeah, so. And we forgot our broccoli, so it's going to be, oh, where do you see what we got? Where do you see?
We're going to make do.
And we're going to be doing that pay dirt, but we got to get dinner cooked first, and we'll do it after dinner. So let's get this stuff on. We'll show you. Look at this beauty. That's a big sirloin. And we're going to put that in there, like that. Holy smokes, that's going to need to be low and slow. And this is a Delmonico steak we're going to put there with it. Look at that. Oh, listen to that sizzle. So we slapped the steaks on there, but we're also going to make honey garlic teriyaki sauce to glaze on that when it's done. So let's see how that goes. All right, the secret sauce. Hippie honey. This is like a early summer blend, right? That we take out.
Yeah, about midsummer, I think
Like
that
my
one was
best
from.
time of year is that's what I like. That in the fall. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that and pour that in there like that. Maybe a quarter cup is all you need. Soy sauce. This is the less sodium type. And you know, you put like a tablespoon or so in there, like that.
Oh, 4.
No, what was that? Tablespoon. And garlic. Like that. Nice dose of garlic. You want to see inside there? Hey, and then you mix that up. Get that soy sauce and honey. It's going to be kind of thick because there's a lot of honey. And we're going to glaze that on the meat right at the end.
That's got the ginger in it too?
No ginger. You got ginger?
Yep.
Oh, we got ginger for this too. We're going to have to get that. There we go. And we'll mix that up. That's all there is to it. Let's go check the meat. Let's take a look here. See what's going on. Flip it. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, wowee.
Looking good.
Yeah. We'll let it go for a little while longer. I'm going to see if I can find a cover for that. There.
Nice.
That one's pretty seared, pretty good. I'm going to put some teriyaki sauce on that pretty soon. Actually right now. We forgot our broccoli, which we were supposed to have with this, so now it's going to be nice tomato slices because that's all we got.
Well, we actually forgot more than the broccoli. We forgot all the produce that we were bringing for our meals. So,
So we're going to have to wing it. I might gonna have some cheese with it, some sharp cheddar cheese,
nice.
tomatoes, and a nice steak. Let's go get it.
Snowing out pretty good again. How long is the snow supposed to last for?
You see it snowing?
Yeah, it's snowing. Pretty good.
Look at that. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I smell that teriyaki.
Look at that.
Wow, look at that.
Let's Let's bring it in. Here we are, but it's early, we're eating early, and we're still going to do that pay dirt after we're done eating, but we wanted to get as much as we could done outside before it got too dark, and it's dark now. Let's tell you how this steak is.
I don't normally eat cheese, but since it's the only thing we have with a slice of tomato, that's what I'm eating. Yeah? There's my slice of cheese in my lap.
Oh, that's delicious. Much needed. We're going to eat, then we're going to clean this up, and we're going to get that pay dirt out, because I want some gold.
Me too.
And there may even be a gold thing. Go ahead. Do that last piece.
I don't know if I can fit this.
Tom ate it all.
Oh, right.
What do you got here?
I've got the coffee pot that I brought with me. Yes, I bring my own coffee pot because I like freshly ground. That should be just the right amount.
I can smell it.
The smell of that. That goes in there. Cup goes under there. I'll have the beet. Voila.
Here we are. We're having crumpets. I don't know if I can fit crumpets after that dinner, but see how small that is? It's a small one.
It's a turtle with pecans.
We're all mixed up. We're having crumpets at the end and dinner in the middle, and we're doing the gold at the end.
It feels a little mixed up too.
Yeah, it's one of those days.
I
It's
ate
snowing.
Tomatoes on my steak tonight.
Tomatoes and steak. Delicious coffee. Now, I hope the dance was up to your liking, Brian Wilder from American Gold Prospectors. He doesn't always sell pay dirt. He did it around the holidays, and I had to get one. He's from Massachusetts, too. And he wrote, from Claim 56, Nome, Alaska. Thanks, Brian. So, we're going to open this up and take a look at it.
So it was supposed to be 1.4 grams of gold added to it.
Yeah.
And it was $100, which is a really great price.
Yeah, I thought that was a good price for that.
Yeah.
I should have got two. But.
Yeah.
But we'll take it. We'll do it.
People don't realize too when they get paid from a cost like this how much work really goes into making that $100.
Yeah.
We know because we make paid
time goes into it, and labor, and you gotta mix
It's
it
all
up.
labor. Yeah.
Let's do it. Here we go. You see my nice fancy classifier. Now some say this is a classifier that a little kid would use in a sandbox, and you'd be right. But I wanted something small to travel with because I don't use a small classifier that small often. So it's my one I leave in the truck. I have another one at the house, but it's much bigger. Look at that. So we're gonna do the littles and bigs. It looks like mostly littles in this. And let me take a look around. Let me get my light on the situation. Oh, look at that. That was in the bigs. That was in the bigs. Look at that.
Is that gold?
That's gold, yeah. Look at those. So we're going to take that out. And I don't see anything else in the bigs. There wasn't many bigs except for those two bigs. Because I'm going to put those in my snuffer. They clunk. Nice little pickers. And I'm gonna dump some of this out because I don't want to do it all at once. I'm gonna do it maybe in 2 shots here because I know there's a lot of gold in here. Shake it down, shake it up. That was my Latin version of the gold dance today. I don't worry too much about losing a bit here, a bit there. I'm going to save it all anyway, all the tailings. I shake it down so that the gold goes down into that crease down the bottom. And then I just wash off the front over here. Just a little bit. I keep doing that.
What does your shirt say? I got the top part. It's all fun and games.
Someone loses a nut. Any other gold up top there?
Oh yeah.
That's the first pan.
Nice sizes in there. Good mixture.
Got one down here trying to get away. I'm going to suck it up. Right there. And I'm going to suck all that up right there with a little bit of that sand. Suck it up. Second batch. Here we go.
Getting down there.
Yeah, I'm down to about where I want to be. I got some water. Clean water. What do you think of that? There it is.
Oh, nice.
Second pan.
Nice.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Shake
Sickity! Now that's just a rough cleaning. I'm gonna get all the gold and clean it up another time here. There it is. We're gonna dry it up and then weigh it. Here we go. Let's take a look at these 2 pickers here. And this one, 0.24. Look at that.
Wow, that's a nice picker.
1/4 gram right there. And then we got this other one. Another 0.21.
Nice.
Yeah, and all together, I don't know if I got it all because I did it kind of quick, but holy smokes, 1.42 grams.
Nice.
He had sold it as a 1 1/4.
1.4.
1.4?
Yeah.
Oh, so it looks like I got it all.
Yeah. I bet you there's still a little more left in that material too.
Yeah.
So that's nice.
I'm going to save that material, go through it again. Thank you, Brian. That was a lot of fun. And we'll be back to wrap it up. I'd like to take this time to thank our members, those who hit that join button. These names you see on the screen are those members, and they are special people. These people help us to continue making these videos. If you'd like to be on this screen, hit that join button and become a member. Thank you. Navy beans, navy beans, navy beans. These are navy beans.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna soak them because tomorrow, next week, we're gonna be making beans, and I've never made beans on this show because you need a crock pot, and we have power here, so I'm gonna do it. Soak the beans. Be sure to add a little surfactant so your beans don't float. Out here at the fire, toasting it up. Well, that's about it for this episode. It's a little bit different, a little bit mixed up, but variety is the spice of life, huh?
A little mixed, a little mangled.
Yeah, we're going to be here for a few more days, and it's going to be getting real cold, down into the teens, 11 degrees, but we're going to have to deal with that in this cabin.
Rigid.
And if we don't lose our power, we'll be doing good. So check out thehitbee.com, get yourself some honey. You can make some of that teriyaki sauce we made.
Oh,
that is
so good.
just, I'm telling you, that was fantastic. I got the mix just right. It came out fantastic. That's why I ended up eating quite a bit. He ate one. He ate the Delmonico, and I ate that big sirloin.
I ate a tiny little piece.
It wasn't tiny. He ate the Delmonico, which was a nice thing. Anyway, if you can't get enough of us, hit that join button, and you can watch our behind-the-scenes stuff, members videos, and that's about it. So, until next week,
Peace.
peace.